Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some fresh updates from Samsung's foldable lineup, and things are taking an unexpected turn. We're talking about the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Flip 7, the upcoming triple-screen foldable, and even a new fan edition Flip. But hold on, some of these might not be launching as soon as we thought. Let's break it down. First up, it's now been confirmed that Samsung Display has officially kicked off the initial production phase for the panels used in the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. This means the development of these flagship foldables is now moving forward at full speed. So yes, the Fold 7 and Flip 7 are very much on track, and they're expected to make their grand debut at Samsung's Unpacked event in July. That's in line with the company's usual mid-year schedule for foldables. Now here's the twist. Earlier rumors suggested that Samsung might unveil its brand new triple-screen foldable and a more affordable Galaxy Z Flip FE, Fan Edition, alongside the Fold 7 and Flip 7 this summer. But according to fresh reports from a South Korean outlet, that's not happening. Instead, both the Flip FE and the triple-screen foldable are now expected to launch by the end of 2025. So yeah, it looks like we'll be waiting a bit longer for those devices. So why the delay? Samsung hasn't officially commented on it, but there are a couple of likely reasons. Panel production just started for the Fold 7 and Flip 7, which could have shifted Samsung's focus and timelines. And most interestingly, the processor situation is still up in the air for the Flip FE. Samsung is currently deciding whether to go with the Exynos 2500, which is still being developed, or stick with the Exynos 2400, the same chip powering the Galaxy S24 FE. That decision alone could be playing a big role in the delay of the Fan Edition device. So to sum it all up, the Fold 7 and Flip 7 are coming this July, as expected. But the Flip FE and triple-screen foldable? Delayed till late 2025. And part of the reason seems to be Samsung juggling panel production and processor decisions. What do you think of these developments? Would you still be excited for a Flip FE even if it's launching much later? And that triple-screen foldable, could that be Samsung's next big innovation? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.